In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to highlight text in a document using the simple tools available in most word processors. Now, highlighting text is an essential skill for anyone who wants to emphasize particular information or make their reading process a bit easier. Whether you're reviewing important notes, preparing a document for presentation, or just organizing your ideas, knowing how to highlight can be incredibly helpful. Let's dive right into the process. Begin by selecting the text you wish to highlight. To do this, click at the start of the section you want to emphasize, and while holding down the mouse button, drag the cursor over the text. You'll notice that, as you drag, the text becomes highlighted in a light shade, indicating it has been selected. You can release the mouse button once you have marked all the text you need. Next, we need to navigate to the Home tab on the ribbon. The ribbon is the toolbar located at the top of your document window, providing easy access to various commands. Once you've clicked on the Home tab, you will see a section labeled the Font group. This group contains all the tools related to text appearance, including font type, size, and color. Now, in the Font group, look for the Text Highlight Color button. It looks like a highlighter pen. Give it a click, and a small drop-down menu will appear, presenting a variety of colors to choose from. You can choose any color that suits your need or preference. This feature allows you to match your highlights with any theme or color scheme you have in mind. Once you click on the color of your choice, you'll notice that the background of your selected text changes to the color you picked, making it stand out from the rest of your document. What if you've changed your mind or made a mistake? It's simple. To remove the highlighting, start by selecting the highlighted text again. Just repeat the initial selection process by clicking and dragging over the highlighted area to ensure it's covered. Once the text is selected, head back to the Text Highlight Color button in the Font group, and this time, click to open the dropdown. Here, you'll find an option labeled No Color. Click on No Color, and just like that, the highlight will be removed, returning your text to its original state. By following these steps, you can effectively manage and modify the visibility of important text in your documents. Highlighting has never been easier and can greatly enhance the way you work with texts. Thanks for tuning in, and happy highlighting.